Hey guys, so finally whatever doubt you have regarding your examination of especially of Pune University is cleared by the university and the important decision taken by them. So here article released by the Times of India, so you will get to know what are the important decision taken by the university for your examination. First of all, in this article you can see that SPPU explores, that is Savitribai Phule Pune University explores online exam with 70% multiple choice question, right? And whatever the whatever data or whatever thing important in this article I'll taken in my notes, so you will get to know everything what are the important decision taken by the university. So let's see here. I taken 5 points of this article, so you will get to know everything what regarding your examination, right? So let's see. Yeah, so our first point is that yeah so our first point is that SPPU, that is our university, Pune University, authorizes or exploring the options of online examination of its graduate and postgraduate, for both graduate and postgraduate student, on the basis of 70% multiple choice question while remaining 30%. That means you have to university will give us paper like MCQ. Our paper will be based on the MCQ, that is 70% will be MCQ and 30% marks will be given by your university, by your teachers, like your college teacher. First point, you should note this. Second point is that University Vice Chancellor Nitin Karmalkar, he refused that there is no possible promotion, like there is no any promotion of student without examination because of the lockdown in the wake of the COVID-19 outbreak. So there is no possibility of promotion without examination. It is clear, totally cleared by the university, so don't wait for that, you should study. And the third important point is that the meeting emphasized that the new term in colleges should start, and a new term of college, like a student after giving examination, the new term in college start from July 1 to 7. Between this, a new term of college will start, right? This is third important point regarding your university. And fourth one is that university officials said student particularly in remote areas unable, so student who living in remote area, who living in a rural area, and there is no, and they maybe not get the internet, proper internet for their examination, and remember that your examination will be on the basis of online examination. It will be not offline examination, it will be online examination. That's why student who belong to like they are living in rural area, so they may not get the proper quality of net, proper quality of internet. So for such type of student, they will give their exam after the after a lockdown, when after everything will be normal, right? So this is fourth important point regarding this. And fifth and last important point is that SPPU controller of examination Mahesh Kakade said the governor appointed committee headed by the SPPU vice chancellor will decide how to conduct the examination. First of all, let me clear that your examination will be based on online based examination. And second thing, what will be the pattern, what will be the exam, like what type of question it will consist, these all clearance will given to you in 3 to 4 days. It is the word of your vice chancellor of university, and you don't need to worry about anything, because it will be sended by the university to your college, and your college will distribute to every student. So don't worry about this, and study and prepare for the objective questions, that is MCQ. And one thing, you know that there is no possibility of written based examination, so it will be objective. And so all the best for your examination. Thank you.